Alrighty guys, we're going to show Tanner on how to clean a crab. I'll show him the first one and then we'll have him do one as well. Take your crab, put the middle of that crab right here, right in the center of this. What this is going to do is just bring the crab down. What you're going to do is going to pound on his body 3 times, whatever it takes to bring the crab down without him pinching you. Just like that, so he's nice and level on it. Take their legs, grab all of their legs all at once on both sides, just like this. Take them, bring the legs towards you and down. This separates the legs from their body. So what some people like to do is eat the stuff that's inside of here, like this is called crab butter, and they like to warm that up. So if you cook these whole, this crab butter will get nice and warm inside, and some people like to eat that. We don't prefer it, so we're not going to do that. Cleaning these guys, we might cook a couple whole. Take these off. We don't eat that stuff. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just shuck this. Get the yucky stuff out of there. Take this off right here. Don't need that. That's garbage. Take all these off here. Not unnecessary. Just like so. Then you're going to rinse them off. Rinse it off. Like so.
Can you make it around me, Greg?
And there we go. Those are clean. We're going to throw those in the pot, and we'll show you guys that soon. That's one crab clean. We'll do another one. Alrighty guys, so now it's Tanner's turn to try to clean the crab. So he's got it just right, set it right in the center. Pounding it down. Keep going a little bit more. There we go. He's going to grab the legs, all the legs.
Pull down.
He's going to bring the legs towards him and down. Oh, we might have to bring the rear end down more. There we go. And go down. There we go. Sometimes they're a little hard. There we go. See that guy? Perfect. He did really good. Now we just, that's all trash. There we go. Doing good. Take this nasty stuff off. And he's gonna rinse him. Oh, sorry. There we have it. How was that?
Not too bad. It'll go a little smoother next try.
All right. Let's do another one here.
Thank you.
There we go. Oh, well, see here, folks. He kind of went a little too far, but hey, that's okay. Because we don't eat the center part of that. Sometimes it's a little hard to get those legs. Sometimes, yeah, holding the top of the body helps. So we're just going to shuck that out of there. Alrighty, Tanner's gonna do another crab. Give you another view. We'll give you the view that we get to see.
So getting them lined up, centered up. Well, like a.
Look at that. That one went perfect. Good job. Perfect. Water all that out. Get all the just nasty stuff out of there. Make them all nice and clean.
Is that good, Skipper?
That is good. Look at that. It's like he's done this for forever. But really, guys, this is his first time. So he did amazing today. Honestly, he did really good. Look at this great big crab. Look at it compared to the hand. That's insane.
I think that's the one that got my finger earlier.
Is this him? He's got blood? Yep. This has got to be him.
Must be him.
Yeah, one crab got Tanner in the finger. It felt great, didn't it?
Oh yeah, let me tell you, I'm gonna enjoy eating him.
Torture. There we go. Ooh, perfect. Hey guys, so today, it's the day after we just went crabbing out there in Newport, Oregon. We are gonna shuck some crab for you guys. I'll show you how that is done here. It's the long, drawn-out process. A lot of folks don't like to do it because it takes time, and yeah, it just takes up a lot of time shucking crab. But it's worth it. It's fun to go for the experience and learn how to do it. So what we do is we're gonna pull the legs away from the body here. This is part of the body. This is just half the crab. Then you're gonna rip this part of the leg off. This is where most of your meat is right here. So that's gonna be a great big chunk. I'll try to keep from eating that. We might sneak a few pieces in. So right here, guys, this is a crab catcher. Or crab catcher. I'm losing train of thought here. Crab cracker, my bad. Crab cracker. It just helps break the shell. It's easier than using your hand. Your hand can get cut up. This is just from yesterday. A little bit. Not bad though. It's worth it. Pain is worth it, guys. So just kind of easily go along the shell here. Break it apart. This also kind of keeps the meat together so you're not breaking up your meat. Just gently pull away that shell away from the meat. I broke it up a little bit, but no, that's not bad. Broken meat is still good meat. We're gonna put it in the bucket here. It's nice meat. It's breaking apart real easy for me. So just do it like that, and like I said, very time consuming, but it's fun. We try to get all the meat in this as well, because you can generally pull a decent piece of meat out of here. That's not bad. A little bite worth. Get in there. I like to use part of the end of the claw to try to get in those little small areas there. It helps it. Sometimes you might have to go through the other side here, push through, get some of that meat. Just like so. There's also this little fork. We have this little crab kit. It also came with this little tiny fork. You can kind of pick through there, grab the meat, bring it out, rip this off. I'll actually use this fork for you. Try to push that meat through. Just like so. Sometimes it's easier just to break this open. You'll find a technique that'll be quick and easy for you. This is just what we do. Goes by quicker, you know, the more you do, it can go by quick. Right, and then you just throw the shells away. Here's the claw. Claw's the fun part, guys. Well, that's where most of your meat is too. Right here. All these little crevices in here. Now, you want to use this on the claw, because the claw is pretty hard. Oops. My bad, wrong pile. Alright. Just like that. You'll see a great big piece of meat come out here. Look at this, guys. That's a nice big piece of meat right there. There's still some in there. There's some in here as well. Some people might not take the time to go through, you know, each little crevice here to get the meat, but we like to get as much meat as we can get out. Over here as well. This is the hard part too. There's some meat in there. Oops. Look at all that meat. Just like so. Alright, we got the claw. It just gets thrown away. Bring it like this. Oh, that cracked pretty good. There we go. And that shell away. And here you have it, guys. Look at that nice big piece of meat there. That's good eating. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna shuck the rest of this crab. We got a lot of crab to get through. I'll show you all the cooler. Thank you guys for following along on our journey. Please like, subscribe, share it out, and thank you for following Pacific Northwest Lip Rippers. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you a difference. I'll try to find a hard shell one. Oh, perfect, right here. Between the soft shell crab and the hard shell crab. There's a difference with the meat in there. The soft shell generally doesn't have as much meat in there because the crab are changing at that time. So, you know, we still keep the soft shell, especially when we don't get to go as often as we like. But so this is the meat. There's still a little piece in there of a soft shell crab. Normally in a piece like that from the leg would be, you know, as big as that shell looks. It would be pretty big. And now I'm going to show you one from a hard shell crab, which is right here. You kind of see this is, I can't even break it. It's pretty, it's a hard shell. Right here, the soft shell, you can kind of see me, you know, pinch on that like that. With the hard shell here, I can't do it as much. So I'll break open this hard shell for you guys. Sometimes it's easier with the hand. Sometimes these pinch the shell a lot and tends to break it into smaller pieces instead of one big piece like we'd like. Try to get this open for you guys. Try to get it in one piece so you can see. Okay. And this is for more of a hard shell crab, so you can kind of tell the difference. I mean, not too huge a difference, but you know, that's a lot of meat right there versus this. So that's the difference, guys, between hard shell crab meat inside and soft shell. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe to my channel. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see more of. We got a lot of crabbing coming up in the next few months. And we're looking forward to doing a bunch of that. Let us know what you would like to see more of. Truly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful and blessed day. And here is a cooler full of crab. Look at all that deliciousness. Alrighty, we got a big project ahead of us. We'll see you guys later.